Okay, so now we have the potometer that we set up in the previous video ready to run. So it's in a vertical position in a clamp stand. You can see the three-way valve, and to the top you can see the leaf, and to the bottom you can see the graduated capillary tube with the bubble progressively rising up it. So as we zoom in, you should see the bubbles currently at about 6 and rising up, and we can reset that bubble down to 0 using the syringe, and then as it hits 0 you can start your timer and time 1 minute and see how far the bubble moves in a minute. So the bubble's just hitting 4 now. That's 30 seconds in. Heading towards 7 at 47 seconds. And so at a minute the bubble is just past 9 centimetres.